The city wall is now behind me, which means I'm leaving the old town and I'm heading to a neighbourhood called Kalamaja, which translates to English as fish house. And it's called that because this is historically where fishmongers and fishermen used to live and work. I'm not sure what the name of this park is, but it is just outside of the old town. It's got a fantastic view of the upper town there. You can just see it behind me. And also a beautiful little lake. So once upon a time this was a thriving fishing village, but in 1870 something happened that changed the neighbourhood forever, and that's that a railway track got laid between here and St. Petersburg, bringing in massive industry and with it thousands of workers. So with that came new factories, industrial units and plants. But in recent times industry there has somewhat reduced, and as a consequence many of those factories and buildings became abandoned. Artists and painters and musicians began moving in, and they've left their own mark on the neighbourhood. So that's why I'm heading there, and I am about 2 minutes away now, so hopefully I can cross this road and take a look for myself. Here we go then. I think I'm just arriving at the market. It is a market called Jaama Turg, which translates to English as station market, and that's because it's right next door to the main railway station here in Tallinn. This place has recently been modernised, and I read on a sign back there that at its busiest there are between 200 and 300 traders situated in this market. Lots of flowers as well as fruit and vegetables. A really cool place to take a walk around, that's for sure. I can definitely smell the flowers. I've made my way into the indoor section. Gonna have a look around in here, maybe get something to eat, and then head out into the rest of the neighbourhood. The area that I'm in specifically right now is called the Telliskivi Creative City, and it's made up of a former railway station. I'm standing on some tracks now. I don't think they're still used, at least I hope they're not, and also a few factories that are in this complex as well. Now this is actually the former platform of the railway station. I was walking through that street market and I could begin smelling the unmistakable aroma of an Indian. So I stopped by one of the little street huts and bought a chicken tikka masala, rice naan bread and a bottle of Coke. It came to about 14 euros, but it was a big helping, and I've got to say that has filled me up. I probably won't eat any more today. So I'm now just leaving the Creative City and I'm heading to the rest of the neighbourhood. I've been told to look out for what they're calling Tallinn houses. Tallinn houses were built from the 1920s until the beginning of the Second World War, mainly to house the influx of workers that came here at the beginning of the century. They are characterised by their wooden structure and then having a central stone staircase. I am heading to a street now that is quite famous for them, so hopefully I should see quite a few. Gotta say, I'm loving this area. There are not only Tallinn houses but lots of other types of houses, really pretty, mostly made out of wood, all different colours, all different shapes and sizes, and the neighbourhood is also really quiet. Got a feeling it is one of the most expensive places to live in the city. I'm at the cultural hub. It's a massive chimney stack of the former power plant. I kind of just read a few minutes ago that it is a collection of bars and event venues. It doesn't look to be open, so I'm going to have a quick walk around and just see if there is anywhere I'll be able to get in and take a look inside. Nice motorbike. I think this is the main entrance. Got a feeling it's going to be closed. We'll just give it a try. You never know. Oh, it's open. Let's go and have a look. Oh wow, this must be right underneath that chimney stack now. Restaurants in that direction. And this must be where the event halls are. Like a basement area. Right, all we've got to do now is get out. There we go. So I think, as I said a minute ago, this is all closed up now really. More of an events venue, I think, and there are no events here today or tonight. So instead, I'm going to just head down towards the sea, see if I can get myself a sunset. Right, I'm going to head back to the concert hall now and catch that sunset. Great day, really nice looking around the Kalamaja district, and I'm looking forward to tomorrow as I'm heading to Tartu, which is another city over the other side of the country.